Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating a project now, open Alight Motion and tap the plus to create one. Choose resolution and 30 FPS so playback matches platform needs and set duration slightly longer than the clip. Next, import your media, videos, photos, audio from device storage. Keep files in a dedicated folder so you don't lose assets. Once your media is in the timeline, scrub to confirm placement and make small trims. This prepares you to build layers and animations cleanly. You add and arrange layers next, starting with a base video or image and stacking text or shapes above. Use keyframes on position, scale, and opacity to craft motion. Set easing to make movement feel natural. Group related layers and apply masks to reveal parts of clips, then try blend modes to composite color and light. Once you see the rough animation, fine-tune timing by nudging keyframes and adjusting curve handles. This yields a polished middle section before exporting. You finish by previewing the entire timeline, checking audio sync and transitions, make final trims and bake effects if needed. When ready, export using H.264 MP4 and choose a bit rate and resolution that match your platform. If export fails or playback stutters, clear the app cache, close background apps, and reduce layer complexity or heavy filters. If crashes persist, update Alight Motion and retry. Use a smaller preview export to confirm fixes before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.